5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 3:30 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 26 nautical miles southeast of wind point, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.